Welcome to this concise tutorial on how to utilize the mic feature on My Speaking Score. This feature is designed to help you record your responses to TOEFL speaking tasks using third-party preparation materials, such as the official guide to the TOEFL test. If you are using such test prep materials, from your dashboard, click on Mic. Next, select the task number you're responding to. The platform will automatically adjust the response time according to the task. When you're ready to deliver your response, click on the green mic icon and speak after the beep. Review your response and click Add to Cart if you want to get it scored by SpeechRater. Rest assured, responses recorded using the mic feature are evaluated with the same speed and provide scores that are just as dependable and precise as those obtained from our in-platform tests.
Now, answer the question.
Remember, you can view your 50 most recent scores here, in Responses. Here's your latest score using mic. It's easy to use third-party TOEFL speaking materials and receive valuable SpeechRater scores to supercharge your test preparation. Happy practicing!